Review and then test.
Yes. So first you'll design the test cases, then
Review the test cases,
review
and
will
then
happen.
we execute the
Review
test
will
cases.
happen. Basically,
Mhm.
review will happen. After reviewing, right? After reviewing,
Mhm.
yeah, this one.
No,
Not
I
this
think it's last or 32 maybe. Let me check quickly.
one. Yeah, 32.
Yep.
32. Okay.
Okay.
So this one, let's execute, and I'll just show you how to execute and how to fill the actual result to status to bug ID. Okay.
Mhm.
And any comments are there, you can put a comments also. So you have to write verify open cart home page. We have to verify. So now open this no. So launch any browser. Okay, I'm launching the browser. Okay,
Mhm.
I launched the browser. Then you type the this URL. Okay, this URL. So I opened. So it opened, right?
Mhm.
So you have to, what is the expectation? Open card home page should be displayed, but now it is displayed, right?
Mhm.
So actual result you have to write is displayed. Open card home page
Is displayed. Okay.
at home page is displayed. So now expected to actual both are matching, right?
Mhm.
Then status is going to be pass.
Pass. Okay.
That's the one. So if not matching any of these expected actual, then the status is going to be fail. Status is going to be fail only.
Mhm.
So that's how we'll execute the test cases one by one. Okay, second one. Verify login link under my account menu. Go to the website first, okay?
Mhm.
And we are under that. See, login link is available. So you can write that. Login link is available under my account menu.
Essentially, anywhere it says should be, you just replace it with is.
Right, that's it. So yes, pass. So then validate the login link under my account menu. So you have to perform the click action. First click on my account, then click on login. See, this page is displayed. So you can write login page is displayed. See, we are filling only these things, time of execution time only, the actual result and expected result. Pass. So then check the content, okay? Wait. And it is okay. See now this section is available. Continue button is available, right? The paragraph and nothing, and the email address, a password, forget password, link, login button, breadcrumb, everything is available. Then you can say login page is displayed. So below content, login page is displayed below content. So pass. Then Maybe some people will know highlight this in
Conditional formatting type thing, green and red, yeah.
green. So like this, you can
Mhm.
green, you can post like this. So like this, okay?
Mhm.
If fails means it will be red color.
Mhm.
So that's how people will easily catch. So that okay. Next, validate the continue button under new customer login page. See, this is the one new button. Click on new button. So it went to the registration page. So just write that registration page is displayed. Right? That's the
Mhm.
next. Validate login with valid credentials. And this data and this data you have to give. So just go back and you can see here, enter email address, enter password, click on login button. Okay, it logged in. So that's the one you write it. My account page is displayed. My account page is my account page. Okay, I think it is top one only it will copy. My account page is displayed. Okay, next validate login with empty credentials. So you can try, creating test cases for one is for logout, another one is for forget password. Okay, these
Mhm.
test cases you create and send it to me. So
On open card, huh?
this one in this open card website. So make
Alright.
a note of this website URL. I'll give this URL to you.
Yeah, if you
Okay.
can toss it in the chat, I'll copy and paste it into my own.
Yeah, here it is. Okay.
Thank you.
So keep this. Keep in a notepad, and that will help you. Okay.
Mhm.
So you have to validate continue buttons, back buttons, and with valid email address, without valid email address, all this. Okay. Test
Mhm.
cases. So
Log out and forgot password. Okay.
yeah. I
Mhm.
want to see how many test cases you can create for this. Okay. See that when
Sure.
I click on back button, what happened? This you need to land in this page. So these
Mhm.
things you should know all this functionality. Okay. Now, so right, that's a test case we have seen. Validate login with empty credentials. Let's go into the empty credentials. See, you got a message. So same thing you write here. System is displayed. Appropriate error message. Yeah. So next, validate login with valid username and invalid password. So try the same invalid password. So you got the same. So that also you can try this. Pass. This is how we can execute test cases. Maybe how many you will execute per day. They will ask all these questions. It depends on the complexity. Okay, how complex this application. This is the all small cases, right? These are you can say easy test cases. Some test cases are very complex. So if you want to execute them, it's not easy. So you need to prepare a lot of test data and then verifications in every page you have to do. And that end-to-end test cases, right? When we are doing, you will get a lot of time. So you need a lot of time. So that will be a complex. But this is only one module, right? We are testing only login module, right? So end-to-end test case means once you log in, you will do complete product search, then checkout, add to cart, then checkout, then confirmation page. All this one end-to-end flow. So that end-to-end test cases, if you have like that bigger, more test cases, obviously it will take time, right? So you have to navigate to many pages. Such cases, it will take time. But these are all very easy test cases, not complex ones. Yeah. So valid login with invalid email ID and valid password. So try that same one. Maybe I can go and come back. Then I can give it wrong one. See that? So you got the same, right? This is working as per expectation, right? That's how you can so prepare these test cases. And execution time only you will do that. Next, validate login with invalid credentials, both invalid you have to give. So that also same. So pass. Next. So we have forgotten password link. Just click on forgotten password. So we already validated this and see forgotten password page is displayed. Suppose we'll break this, okay? We'll break this. I want to fail this test case. Maybe I'll say 404 error page is displayed. I'll just write that, okay? So 404 is not found displayed. So now this is not matching, right? Expected and actual both are different. Then you have to mark it as a fail. Fail means you have to look for the red color. So this also you can say this also. So it's not going to home page. Open cart, home page is not displayed. So then you can say fail. So when failed test cases are there, you must report a bug immediately. So then these are the steps for you. So you have to write all the steps. So how to report a defect? Let me show you that. Okay. We got an opportunity here. Let me write a, so how to report the defect. Okay. So I'll show you how to report the defect. So take Notepad++. And generally, so you need to log into your tool first. Okay, log into the Zira or ALM or any defect tracking tool. Okay, defect tracking tool. The first step. Okay, then you can find there is a defect tab. So click on defect tab or create button. Okay, so create button you have in the Jira, and a defect tab you can find in the ALM, like that you have. Okay, once you land in the, so when you click on create, and it will, one template will open to you. So one template will open to you. So one template will open to you. In that template, first thing is you have to select the project. So project, we have, what is our project name? OpenCart, right? OpenCart is our project. And sub module. So they'll ask sub module. So what is the sub module? Login page, right? Login module. So then they will ask you for the summary. So what is the summary? So this is all defect template I'm giving, okay? So defect, new defect template. New defect template. Summary is, so basically a summary is, what is the exact issue? You have to explain that issue in a single line, okay? Single line, very brief, a description about the issue, the problem. What is the defect you have to explain? What is the defect here? So 404 page not found. This is displayed when we click on forget password link. Okay, that's you write. Forget password. Otherwise, you can write forgotten password throws 404 not found. You can write like this. Okay, people can understand easily. Now you have a, okay, so reporter, your name will come automatically because you already logged in, right? Logged in user. Logged in username. Assign. There is assign column. You have to assign to whom? You know who is the developer who worked on this area. So assign to the developer. Developer name you have to select. Okay. So it's a drop down. In the drop down, all the people's name will be there. You can select those persons' names. And then we have very, very important description. So this is a very important. In the description column, description box will be there. In this box, you can explain on clicking the forgotten password link rows 404 page not found. So this is the issue description you can write. Then you write steps to reproduce. Same, under same description box, you have to write all this. Steps to reproduce. How you can reproduce this? All the navigation you have to write. So you have, right, how you navigated to this page, you have to write everything, all these steps. So you write all this, these steps, everything you have to write. Okay? So you have to write these steps. Then after that, what is the next step? Fourth step. You have to click on this, right? Click on my account, and these steps you have to write. And you need to write these steps. Then 5th step. So after that, 6th step, click on forgotten password link in login page. That is the one. Now what is happening? Actual result you write. Actual result. What is the actual result? So forgotten password throws F404 page not found. You can write like that. So on clicking the, you can write this same thing, okay? Actual issue. Then what is the expected result? So all these things must be there in your defect template. This is how to report the defects in the tool. So any tool, these are the things will be there. And expected result. So what is the expected result? You know, right? This is the expected result, right? This is the expected result. Write this expected result. All the steps will be there in your test case document. Forgotten password page should be displayed. That's your expectation. Next, there is a environment tab will be there. So another thing, environment will be there. You can write your testing where Windows 11 or 10, whatever it is, okay? There are Mac, or you can write whatever, the MacBook, then Firefox, which browser you are testing, Chrome, you write whatever the browser you are testing, okay? That's the environment. And also QA environment. QA environment, this is the environment URL you have to give. So QA environment means you will have this, URL with, like this. So they'll prepare an environment, something like that, okay? QA, somewhere they'll mention QA. QA, so dot, that like that, okay? So the environment URL basically. So this is the environment, okay? This is an environment, okay? They will give an environment ways you have a URLs, different URLs. Now this is the production URL. So your environment URL will be like this. They'll give a name like that, okay? Then you have to, so link this to which requirement? Link. So link, this bug relates, this test case belongs to which user story. You have to map that user story, okay? So suppose user story 2, something like that, okay? I'm just giving an example. That story you can choose. You have a drop down here, there you can choose. You're mapping. So then, yeah, that's it. Maybe you can give priority maybe high, and the severity high. You can give like this. This is the severity will be there, priority will be there. For every bug, there is a priority and there is a severity. So what is this? I'll explain in the defect template. Defect, okay? Then submit button. You submit it. Submit it. So then one number will generate. Okay. So it will be OP cart. So 20, something like that. This is the bug ID. It will generate the bug ID. This bug ID, you have to give 1 minute. So you have to take that bug ID and place it here. Okay.
Mhm.
So like this one also, you report a bug, and this one, you can paste it like this. So that it will be a complete tracking. So what is the bug ID for this, and each failed test case, you should have a bug ID. Okay. That's how you can do in the real time. Then at the end of the day, you will send a mail. Okay, I have tested and executed these many test cases, and these 2 test case numbers you can give, and these 2 test cases are failed, and these are the bugs. Okay. And this one, you report a bug, and you file the report the bug, and send me that how to report the defect. Okay. For this test case, you try to write all the steps whatever I have given, and that you send it to me. That's exercise for you. Okay, you got it?
Okay.
So you should know how to report the defects. So practice one of them. Okay, so that's the thing. So I want to see in your Excel sheet, you execute the test cases and take one defect and show me a defect template also. So all this template. So right, we reported this, all of them, right? So these steps you have to write all of them. Okay. So that you need to send it to me. This like this. Clear?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. So we covered what is a test case, how to design the test cases, how to execute the test cases on the environment, different environments, and then how to report the defect, how to map that in the test case document. So now when you fill all this actual result, status, bug ID, this is entire document is called test log report. And you need to prepare a mail, and in the mail, what you can send as test summary report, you will say test summary report. So what you will do? So you will mention your manager name, right? You will mention your manager name, and you will include in your to address and CC and like this, right? Then you can put a subject. So you'll write a subject, test summary report on QA environment. So hi team, or hi your manager name you can put. So I have tested login module, and all the test cases looks good, and so except 2 test cases.
Mhm.
So in this you can put passed one. So 10 test cases, failed is 2 test cases. And bugs, you can mention those bugs and send a mail. Okay.
Mhm.
So take that so bug numbers from the your defect tracking tool and send the mail. Okay.
Mhm.
Thanks. So we can put. So this is how you can put DL, maybe some your